All right, so let's face it, guys, the economy is not the greatest. So I set out to find the cheapest products to build the cheapest Radio Shack that I could, covering the most amount of things for preppers, technicians, radio enthusiasts, whatever you want to call yourself. So first things first, I'm going to knock a drill over, apparently. But first radio we're going to look at in this project is going to be the Radioddity GM30 GMRS handheld radio. Now, I am not sponsored by Radioddity. I purchased this with my own money. Let's take a look at it. Let's go ahead and open this up, get inside of it. Now, this radio was a whopping $26. This is the GM30. And this radio was $26, like I mentioned, and it also covers VHF as well as UHF as a receiver. Now, if I had to guess, there's some special buttons to push to make it do more than just GMRS, but we're not going to look at that today. So, why did I buy this radio? Why did I pick this model other than it was the cheapest? Well, it is USB-C chargeable. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Now, I'm going to take this out the way. Look at all the accoutrement it comes with. So, a wall wart, a super secret spy earpiece, a 50-cent USB-C cable, a clip, and an antenna. Now, we close this up, put everything back like we found it, because maybe I'll give this away, maybe I'll sell it, who knows, who cares. None of y'all are here for that. You're just here to see how I can build a Radio Shack on the cheap, or you've scrolled so far in the YouTube algorithm that I showed up. So, pretty funky SMA connector. Never seen one quite like that, where it's built like that, maybe missing a washer. But just a nice antenna. Let's see if it says. Nope, it does not say what frequency it's for. Oh well. Not the biggest deal. Don't know if this is charged. Y'all are watching me open it up for the first time. Let's turn it on.
Welcome. Channel mode.
Ooh, not the usual Baofeng lady. Radioddity has their own Baofeng lady. So let's check out the channels, see what it do. So channel 1, 2,
5.
Man, you really cannot see that. Sorry about that. It is backlit as all get out. But that's it. I guess that's the easiest way to explain it. $26 GMRS radio. We're going to cover CB radio next, and then an amateur radio, dual band VHF radio. But this is pretty cool, 5 watts, you know. For $26, you get pre-programmed channels, everything you want ready to go. Yes, you can go cheaper, but from Radioddity, this was the cheapest way, and I think Radioddity has some of the best customer service. They back their products up, and just all around good products that are decently made, cheap, and ship fast. So guys, this is the Radioddity GM30. Look out for a few more videos on it. 73, Easy Amateur Radio.